Morning, morning, morning. How's everybody doing? AK in the house, opening bell here. You can see the screen should be good. Just kind of getting all my ducks in a row. Duck, 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 as they see. How's everybody doing? Futures down today, so the market is down. Futures down 32 today. I said the market was a little too early to start rallying. SHLS was Devon up, ERJ unchanged, CBS down, CHGN down. I have 4 contracts in CHGN. 310 they're marking right now. I'm not overly long. I actually have been putting on less positions. I haven't been trading that many positions lately. PNG, I'm going to offer some of these at 30. I do have an offer out. What's going on? How's everybody doing? Scanner should be good. Flow should be good. I know we had a little bit of difficulty yesterday. I apologize for that. I wish I could take blame for technical difficulty, but, you know, I cannot take control. Futures down 32. I talked about it, and I thought the market was too early to start the end of the year rally, which I still think. I think the market's too early to start the end of the year rally. I don't think we just melt up straight from here. I think we need to go down a little bit first to maybe set up, you know, maybe we sell out for 2 months, and then we set up a rally. Soxel down. NVIDIA is down. All the names are up, are pretty much unchanged. PNG down to nickel. UAL hit 70 on the RSI. SHLS 0.72 said they were going to take a position in SHLS, so that one's actually up today a couple pennies. They're 20.35 right now. CSGN baked unchanged here. CVS down again. No 70s. I paid 10 cents for 22 more of these. That'd be my last ad. ERJ down 29 cents. I put that position on yesterday. UAL I can remove from my radar if I wanted to. Run up a couple pennies. PLTR up a couple pennies. OPCH. Nothing to hit the scanner yet. PDD hitting option hacker, guys. PDD hitting option hacker. The 140s. I'm not going to take these. This is a pretty big order, though. So option hacker. Buyer PDD. 11-1, 2024, 140 calls for 88 cents. So PDD hitting the scanner. I'm going to see how it is in the back tester, but I'm not going to take it. It looks like the gremlins took all my positions away. So PDD on option hacker. PDD hitting the tape, guys. PDD hitting the tape. PDD. No first 140s. Pretty big order here, guys. So, you know, if you had a reason to take it, it's because the order is really big. I haven't seen to see where crypto is today. 58.60 on the S&P. You know, we got up to about 59.20. 1 out of 10. And 7 signals over 2 years. So PDD, I'm not going to participate in. PDD, I'm not going to participate in. I'm not going to fade it because it's not more than 10 signals, but I'm not going to take it. So PDD hitting the tape. The 140s, guys, November 1st, 2024, 140 calls hitting the tape here in PDD. So PDD hitting the tape. But once again, I'm not going to take it. I apologize again for yesterday. I couldn't control it, but sometimes that happens where I had to uninstall Thinkorswim and I had to reinstall Thinkorswim. I always said I don't mind when the market goes down. Give the opportunity to get in cheaper. Futures down 29. Haven't done anything yet today. 0.72 hit a position in SHLS. All we've seen hit the tape was PDD calls. I'm not participating in those, but I'm not fading it. BTBT trading here. Let's see where crypto is today. Futures getting waxed today, down 31 points. Freeport had good earnings. Let's see how Freeport is participating. Freeport up $1 today. Crypto down about 60, a little bit under 67. I just wait for a good idea, good signal. I took some ERJ yesterday. I keep thinking to myself, what would happen in the portfolios if I took a 50% stop loss? It's kind of what I've been thinking about lately. You know, some of them wouldn't be as big of a loser, but I'd be out of some positions. So I don't know what the right answer is. SHLS has just been forming this base at 5 for a while. RSI, relative strength index. Let's see what we see oversold today. I have to import the RSI in here. So unfortunately, I can't do that today. I'm going to have to do that again. RSI, relative strength index. GM still going up on earnings. GM. PNG up a couple pennies. PLTR higher, run higher. CHGN I would add to this position at like 220. They're 250, 370. ERJ is down 55 cents. I put a position on that one. I don't even know what it does. I would add to ERJ here at 60 cents. So ERJ, 1220, 2024, 40 calls. I am 60-cent bid for 10 contracts. So 10 contracts here. I'm still in New York till Thursday, and then I fly to Miami on Thursday. So I'm in New York till Thursday, and then I fly to Miami. Miami. Come on, SHLS. Make me a believer out of you. PNG, I'm at 30. I'd add more at 15. I'm more at a dime. CVS down a half. CVS has just gotten crushed. You see something PDD. PDD. No first 2024. 140s. CORZ on Moonshot Scanner, 12.5 puts. They're going to be nickel wide, so I'm not taking these. So Moonshot Scanner, buyer of CORZ, 11.1 for 12.5 puts for 30 cents. Devon calls being bought. So CORZ hitting the tape. I'm not going to take anything in CORZ. CORZ hitting the tape, guys. CORZ. CORZ hitting the tape, guys. CORZ. Not taking it. I actually bought 9 of these yesterday for 25. So let's offer 9 at 35. Actually have it. I've not taken anything yet today. Future's getting whacked on 30. Future's getting crushed. So the at the morning straddle, at the money calls, at the money puts for today. 551 straddle, at the money calls, at the money puts. Sorry, 581 straddle. $22, so then applying the 22-point move between now and the end of the day. I do have some exciting news for everybody here. I don't know if I'm going to start announcing it early or kind of build the momentum on it. But maybe I'll share with you in a little while today. There's some very exciting Alpha Shark news. We're also going to go over a 30-minute boot camp today. I didn't make slides, but so I have to just stay in the room. IREN, no first 11s. IREN, no first 11s trading here. IREN. Iris Energy, 2 million shares already traded today. More calls being bought. IREN. I'm going to throw that on the back tester to see how it looks. So IREN trading here. Iris Energy. No first. So 1,500 of these trade. No first 2024. 11 calls being bought in IREN. It's probably going to have a small ATR too. Iris Energy. Not going to take it. They bought them at 30 cents. 1 out of 10 on 2 signals in 2 years. So IREN, guys. IREN. Iris Energy. Not going to participate here. If you choose to take it, good luck to you. I'm not taking anything here on my new positions high. This is IREN, Iris Energy. Baba down to 100. So 2 signals hitting it. We have a boot camp today talking about the mastermind. You don't have to go anywhere. You can just stay in here. So that's pretty cool and exciting. CRZ higher. Well, I did put a position on yesterday in SOUN. Have an offer out. Rundown again today. GFS getting crushed. I would add GFS calls at 40 cents. 45, I'll go bid here in GFS. Let me see where my bid is here. Global Founders. I don't even know what they do. I am 45 bid here, so I'm close to getting here filled in GFS, guys. So I am 45 bid for GFS, 11/15, 2024, 45 calls for 45 cents. So GFS, guys, I'm trying to get into GFS. GFS, I am bid in the market, not filled just yet. So CORZ puts, IREN calls, and PDD calls. We sent out no RSIs for today. CHGN calls are down to these are D 145s. 80 bid at or 80 bid at 370. Newmont calls trading here, guys. And Newmont does pretty well in the scanner, guys. Newmont calls being bought. These are Newmont calls. They do pretty well in the scanner, guys. NEM. Yesterday, last time they hit, I tried to buy my pullback. So Newmont guys on Option Hacker. NEM 11/15/2024 64 calls for 58 cents. So Newmont hitting, guys. Newmont hitting. Newmont calls hitting the tape, guys. Newmont calls hitting the tape. So keep an eye on it. NEM, guys. NEM calls hitting the tape. NEM calls hitting the tape, guys. NEM calls hitting the tape. Newmont 64s. Pretty far out of the money. Newmont with an RSI of 73. So I don't really want to buy Newmont here, but if you want to buy them, you can get into those calls for around 58 cents. So these are NEM calls, guys. Newmont calls. Newmont! NEM 11/15/2024 64 calls for 58 cents. I do think this is probably the best order we've seen today. We've only seen 4 of them, but 4 interesting, actionable orders. I have a bet with my buddy on silver futures. Let's see where silver futures are. Silver futures are dun 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 dun. I can't find a quote on it. NEM. Have not bought anything today. Have not sold anything today. Starting to see something starting to creep up a little bit. OPCH still up on the day. Devon up on the day. PNG up on the day. SHLS up on the day. Newmont's up on the day. SMR trading here. AVTR 26s. AVTR, interesting order, guys. An AVTR. This might be a signal here. An AVTR. AVTR 2000 trade here. Adventurer 26s. See how they look. AVTR 26s. Not a lot of stock is traded today. 2000 AVTR, Nov 15th, 2024, 26 is traded 63 cents. 3 out of 10. So not taking it again. So Option Hacker hitting another signal. Buyer of AVTR, 11/15/2024, 26 calls for 63 cents. 3 out of 10 on 9 signals in 2 years. Okay, so AVTR, I'm not going to take it, even though it hit the tape. There's a big buyer of gold calls yesterday. Gold up $2. So AVTR, guys, calls being bought. I think it's okay, even though it's a 3 out of 10. So AVTR, 26 calls. Buyer 3,000 of these. I'm going to put a bid in under the market. If I get filled at 40 cents, I'll take some at 40. So if they happen to hit at 40 today, I will take them at 40. So if they hit at 40 cents today, I will take them at 40. If I can get them for a big discount, my target with them would be 60, which is the price that they paid. So I'm willing to take these at a discount here. I'm willing to take these at a discount. SHLS down on the day. PNG down on the day. So you don't need to buy it when it hits. You can wait, be a little patient if you want. So AVTR, I am 40 cent bid here. The 55.65. 3,000 of those trade here. ERJ down, GFS down. Trading the last couple of weeks have been a little bit harder. Oh, they have earnings on the 25th. All right, maybe I'll buy some call spreads into earnings. Triple down now, down on earnings. Triple M got up to 141. Now it's 131 on earnings. ERJ, I am bid under the market. Do you guys want to hear the exciting news today or no? Let's take a little poll. We have very exciting news here at Alpha Shark. I will do a little poll if you guys want to hear the news or not. I market set go. No one wants to wait. You guys all want the news? All right. I'll give it to you. No, someone 1% wrote no. Okay, so the exciting news is, as I continue to tell everybody, my goal as the CEO and owner of the company is to provide the best product possible to all you, my subscribers. I feel like the trading room could do some improvements and get a little bit better. So after 200 applicants, probably about 25 plus phone calls, probably 20 videos I watched, we are going to be bringing on 3 new moderators into the trading room. And the trading room will go back to no silent time at all. And we're going to be running straight through from 9:30 to 4:30 p.m. Eastern. So AK worked my tail off to bring 3 of what I think are the best moderators. You'll get a little intro of how they trade, but we're getting you 3 new moderators. 2 of them are stock traders, which is interesting. One guy has some really cool scans. So the trading room is bringing 3 moderators on board. And starting Monday, we're going to run from 9:30 straight to 4:30 p.m. Eastern with no breaks. So no breaks and 3 more moderators. So hopefully you guys enjoy these new moderators. You know, 200 interviews. Nah, no one you've ever heard of, but 200 interviews, probably 25 phone calls, 20 videos watched. This is what I think the best ones are. And we're going to go straight through all day. So, and then, you know, I want you guys to give your feedback. If you like a moderator more or less, if there's one that you hate, I can always fire someone. And Brian and Mark are still staying on board too. So you still get Brian and Mark, and then we also get 3 more moderators. There'll be no downtime all day, starting with opening bell. So opening bell will be 9:30, 10:30. We'll send you guys out the schedule too. It's 9:30 to 10:30 AK, 10:30 to 12 Michael, who's a big options guy. He trades a lot. 12 to 1, we have a stock trader who's got some of the coolest scans I've ever seen. He's based in Qatar. 1 to 1:30, I have Tim. He's a beginner trader trying to just make a living trading stocks. He's got a really cool trading plan. 1:30 to 2 BK, 2 to 3 Mark, 3 to 4 BK, and then Tim will go back on at 4 to 4:30 after the market closes to go over any earnings, and he'll go over the trades that he traded for the day. So 2 very pretty active stock traders, and then an active option trader. And then BK will keep the same time. AK will always be opening bell. And then every Friday, we'll mix up the moderators, and we'll have someone run it every week differently so they can all get a little crack at the opening bell. But, you know, it's going to cost me money, obviously. But I'm excited to bring these on board for the new moderators. And, you know, they all have different trading styles. You know, if I told them, I'm like, you build a track record. If you build a track record and you start making money, I'll take all the trades myself. You know, I'm fine with taking trades if they're profitable, right? I think we all are. So I told every monitor, I'm like, goal number 1 is we make customers happy. Goal number 2 is you have a good track record. You have a good track record, I'll take all the trades myself. So that's what's going on here, guys. 3 new moderators. Hopefully we can start it next Monday. Steps are they all been hired. They just need to sign the NDA. Show them how to run the room. I have to give them login, and then they know the rules. I say there's 3 rules here at Alpha Shark. No politics, no religion, and no soliciting my customers. Other than that, we'll love you. Future's coming back here a little bit. OPCH up in the day. I haven't taken that many trades lately. I just didn't think there was that many good setups. Spirit Islands trading here, Save trading here. I'm bid for GFS. I'm bid for ERJ. I actually took some SOUN calls yesterday. So I bought 20 of these. 20 SOUN, 12, 20, 24, 5.5 calls for 45 cents. Target. I got filled on these yesterday when I was out and about, but so that is the exciting news for me, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Actionable ideas today. I think AVTR is the best idea. I did not take it. It was a 3 out of 10 in the back tester. AK hasn't placed any trades today. Futures down 26. And like I said, I think we're too early in the year to rally all year. NVIDIA hitting RSI of 70. The one that really hasn't participated, which is kind of crazy, is Amazon has not participated at all. So Amazon has not participated at all. That's just crazy. Amazon just outright chilling. We have a boot camp today, guys. We're going to be talking about the release of Option Hacker. And for the first time ever, we are going to offer the back tester, which we've never offered before. Futures up 20, down 26.5. AVTR, I think, is the best signal today. CRRZ. Oh, getting crushed. Those 12.5 puts, if you got into those are now next week puts at the head moonshot scanner. Oh, look at those. They've doubled in value, guys. So CRRZ. Wow, PDD just imploding here. Look at PDD. So CRZ, guys, CORZ puts the head at 30 up to 50 here. CORZ puts it head at 30 up to 50 now. And PDB just raging here. Those PDD calls, guess they knew something, huh? Next week, 140s, guys. Next week, 140s are up to 240 in PDD. Wow. PDD, guys, 88 cents to 240 here. I don't know if any of you took it today. PDD, wowzer. 88 cents to 240, guys. Look at that in PDD, guys. Look at that in PDD. PDD on fire now. 88 cents to 240, guys. PDD exploding. I probably said imploding because I haven't had my coffee yet today. PDD, guys, up to 240 on PDD. Wow. If you couldn't see the screen, you got to just tell me. So PDD, guys, look at the PDD calls. I called these out earlier, PDD. Fortunately, it was not a signal, but PDD, a buyer, 1,196. PDD, 11/1/2024. 140 calls, 88 cents. Those were bought at. Those are trading $2.50 now in PDD. PDD exploding here. From the scanner. Glow down. CHGN down. Macy's down. More PDD being bought. Those calls are up to 280 now. They're buying the 142s and the weeklies in PDD. Wow. PDD on fire, guys. Ripping. Rip roar. So we have a boot camp at 11. I'll let BK know. It will be in here.